Like this, if you got a Tesla or any electric vehicle where the battery is actually placed, under the vehicle, which most are, um, to lift that vehicle, they use these pads that'll actually interlock into the subframe of the vehicle. And that's where the vehicle must be raised from. You get a young person from a tire store to go and just roll a jack up underneath that vehicle and start jacking. Well, they can literally damage and destroy a $24,000 battery. So what I've been telling customers of ours that also have Teslas, that you need to get a set of the jack pads and leave them in the vehicle. And you need to know about this so that you don't run into this. We got an issue right now where a person had went to a tire store, battery's damaged, needs to be replaced. If it would have been where they had driven over something and hurt the battery, it would have been a different story. But this was maliciously done by somebody that was inexperienced. And here they are now faced with the purchase of a new battery. And their insurance company doesn't want to pay for it. They want the tire store that did the damage to pay for it. So now you've got this great big he said, she said thing going on, and I'm like, you know what, this is worthy of mentioning to folks. Those jack pads are not that expensive, and that little bit of knowledge that I may have just inadvertently given you, that you have to have these jack pads to lift these electric vehicles. It'd be a wise thing to go ahead and purchase a set and just throw them in the vehicle. That way you've got them, and if you're out of town or somewhere not at your regular garage or whatever, and you have to go to some place to get a tire replaced or fixed or repaired, whatever, at least you've got those, and you can give whoever's working on it, or make sure that they are knowledgeable enough about that vehicle to lift it properly without doing. And it would be different if it was a bent piece of metal, but we're talking $25,000 damage. So insurance companies start balking when you start handing them bills like that. So if you know anybody that has a Tesla or any of these electric vehicles, make sure that they have a set of lift pads in the vehicle. They're not that expensive. You can order them online, but it could save you so much headache and heartache down the road. Who wants to have to go through something like that? All right. Hopefully that helps a few folks.